Good morning, all of you. I am Neeraj Pathak. I am here to represent our topic segmentation on the OS subject assigned by Anjesh sir. And today we are going to see part by part what is segmentation, what is its use in our operating system, and how it works. First of all, we will see what is segmentation. Segmentation is another way of dividing the addressable memory. It is another scheme of memory management, and it generally supports the user view of memory, which means that the logical address space is basically the collection of segments. जो इसका लॉजिकल एड्रेस होता है वो कलेक्शन ऑफ सेगमेंट्स होता है, उसी को हम सेगमेंटेशन बोलते हैं. ईच सेगमेंट हैज ए नेम एंड अ लेंथ. ईच सेगमेंट, सेगमेंटेशन में जो हम सेगमेंट्स बनाते हैं, ईच सेगमेंट का एक नाम होता है और उसका एक लेंथ होता है जो कि सेगमेंटेशन के द्वारा डिसाइड होता है. नेक्स्ट स्लाइड हम देखेंगे. व्हाट इज बेसिकली अ प्रोसेस इज डिवाइडिंग इनटू सेगमेंट्स लाइक पेजिंग. सेगमेंट डिवाइड्स द सेगमेंट्स द मेमोरी. जैसा कि हम लोगों ने पेजिंग में देखा था, आप जिसे जानते हैं कि पेजिंग में होता है, वैसे ही सेम सेगमेंटेशन में भी प्रोसेस एक ये ऐसा प्रोसेस है जिसमें हम मेमोरी को सेगमेंट्स में डिवाइड करते हैं. बट देयर इज डिफरेंस बिटवीन पेजिंग एंड सेगमेंटेशन. पेजिंग और सेगमेंटेशन में क्या डिफरेंस है ये हम आइए समझते हैं. पेजिंग और सेगमेंटेशन में डिफरेंस ये है कि मेमोरी फिक्स्ड, while the paging divides the memory into fixed sites. पेजिंग में जो मेमोरी है वो फिक्स साइज में डिवाइड होती है, while in segmentation and on the other hand segmentation divide the memory into variable segments. These are then loaded into logical space. सेगमेंटेशन जो है वो मेमोरी को जो लोड करता है वो लॉजिकल मेमोरी स्पेस में लोड करता है और डिवाइड्स वेरिएबल सेगमेंट्स में इसको डिवाइड करता है. ये होता है हमारा पेजिंग और सेगमेंटेशन में डिफरेंट. नेक्स्ट स्लाइड हम लोग देखेंगे. Basically, a program contains segments, and segments are logical units such as main program, procedure, function, method, object, local variable and global variable, symbol table, common block, stack, and arrays. This is a program basically a collection of segments, and segments is logical units such as these are the parts of them. The next slide we will say types of segmentation. There are following types of segmentation. We are going to see one by one. The first part is virtual memory segmentation, which is the type of segmentation. It processes a segment into a division, and most important thing is they are not segmented all at once. One by one, the segmentation is performed in virtual memory segmentation. At once, the segments are not performed. This is the first type of virtual memory segmentation. The second type is simple segmentation. In simple segmentation, which helps of this type, each process is segmented into a divisions and they are all together segmented at once exactly, but at the runtime and can be non-continuous. जो हमारा सेगमेंट होता है वो एक टाइम पे, एग्जैक्टली एक टाइम पे वो हमारा सेगमेंटेड टुगेदर एक साथ सेगमेंट हो जाता है, लेकिन वो क्या होता है, नॉन कंटीन्यूअस होता है. नॉन कंटीन्यूअस का मतलब स्कैटर्ड इन द मेमोरी. स्कैटर्ड मतलब इधर उधर बिखरा हुआ. वो हमारा जो सेगमेंटेशन होता है वो बिखरा हुआ होता है. नॉन कंटीन्यूअस, दैट इज देयर मे बी स्कैटर्ड इन द मेमोरी, which means the second type of segmentation, that is simple segmentation. The third now we will see a computer system that is using segmentation has a logical address space that can be viewed as multiple segments, and the size of the segment is the variable that may grow or shrink. During the execution, each statement has a name and length. The address mainly specifies both things, name of segment and the displacement within the segment. This is the third part of the segmentation. In this slide, we will see how the logical address consists of tuples. This is segment slash number offset, and where the segment number S, segment number is used to represent the number of bits that are required to represent the segment, and offset which is represented by D, segment offset is used to represent the number of bits that are required to represent the size of the segment. This is the code statement. Now we'll see a mind map of how the logically the segmentation is performed. The logical view of segmentation is, this is segment 0, this is segment 1, this is segment 2, this is segment 3, and this is segment 4. This is the logical address space, and the segment numbers are given 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Base address has been written here and limit has been stable in the segment table. Now the physical address space is presented in this column. This is the graph from which we can represent the logical view of segmentation. Here you can see the different colors are being used, and the segment 0 to segment 2 to segment 1 to segment 4 to segment 3, and each consists of a physical address space. That is a mind map of segmentation.